world of automotive parts is intertwined with our everyday lives, enabling us to travel with ease and convenience. Yet, the automotive parts industry is a challenging business, requiring constant innovation and adaptability. EMPTA was established in 1970 by a group of passionate, enterprising, and visionary automotive parts traders.
EMPTA was officially established on the 20th October 1970. The founders wanted to build a united force among the auto parts industry players. At first, there were only a small number of members. Some industry players were reluctant to join the association because they were skeptical about the benefits of joining. In 1980s, the government introduced new duty policy on automotive parts. It was not easy for individual industry players to deal with the government on policy communication. So, our association provides an avenue of engagement. Many industry players felt that they were able to receive up-to-date information if they were part of the association.
EMPTA represents the ecosystem that drives the engineering and motor part industry. We are the voice of the businesses for policy, communication, and together we take the automotive sector forward.
From EMPTA, I get first-hand information regarding new industry policy, international market trends, and new technology to support my business.
EMPTA is playing this important role on behalf of us. Whatever you all know, then you share with us, then we know what's happening because we are not involved on the dialogue.
I can see a lot of transformations in the sense of younger committee. I think they are more aggressive. This is what I look upon, and I think the future is there, and it will be able to represent us into a wider scope where we'll be represented in the government dialogue. It will have a better platform for us to improve in our industry.
As a dedicated non-profit association, our primary objectives are to foster unity and promote trade among our members. We strive to build a cohesive community, encouraging collaboration and mutual growth. Additionally, we actively engage with government officials, advocating for favorable industry policies and addressing critical issues that impact our members. Through the dedicated efforts of our committee members, EMPTA consistently delivers the latest industry updates and vital information to our members. We organize a variety of events and activities designed to help members expand their business networks. Additionally, we actively collaborate with diverse partners to create new business opportunities, ensuring our members stay at the forefront of industry advancements. We are dedicated to enhancing the welfare and benefits of our members while steadfastly honoring our social responsibility. We believe in fostering a supportive community that thrives together. As we move forward, EMPTA continues to champion the interests of our members through our unwavering commitment. Together, we will continue to shape the future of the automotive parts industry, driving it towards new heights of excellence and prosperity.
Keep up, EMPTA!
Keep it up, EMPTA!